Okay, I believe these are now clear. Remember, I was started from what a candlestick, right? The candlestick is the language of price. Of course, I've proved that to you now. And I said you also need to understand the features of the candlestick, low, high, close, open, in the body, and also label them here for you and also show the difference between the buy and the sell. For the sell, the open is always at the top, the close is below. For the buy, the open is always below and the close is where? The top. And I want to show you the types. You can see these are the types, these are the application of it. Type the application of it and see what you're seeing. So we are not market structure yet, so don't get it twisted. And love is a beautiful thing. Mhm. Okay, so let's talk about Kimba. I think I'll talk about the application for that. Just have to figure that out yourself. So let's talk about bullish Kimba first. Some call it harami, some any name, but bro, just pay attention to the structure. Don't castigate other educators. We are all doing the same thing, right? So this is how Pimba looks like. Of course, so have a week sub doesn't. And phew, this is bullish Pimba. Why is it bullish? The body is facing up, and the longer wick is down. All right. In the application, let's see if there is. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Have any Pimba? Of course, we should. So this is a Pimba. This is a Pimba. So when it comes to Pimba, the color doesn't matter for me. So you can see the body is up, the body is up, the longer wick is below. So this is bullish pin bar, bullish pin bar. Excuse me. These are bullish pin bar. Alright, so let's see there is an application to that. Let's see. So the first one went as high and closed below in this one, but so let's see a smaller time frame. Let's see what happened there. There. Yeah, oops. Let me speak Nigeria English for us without loss. Oh. Okay, where are we? Okay, let's look for a recent one. Let's look for a recent one. Um, um, okay, let me delete all of this so we don't get confused. Okay, so there is a pin bar there, there's a breakout, right? And one price return. So let's see smaller time frame and what the price do when it came back. This is when it came back. Price gave us bullish engulfing. And of course, you already know what bullish engulfing is. Whenever I have a bullish engulfing, price is expected to come back. See? And that is the buy. So we'll go with this as our stop loss. So if you don't understand stop loss or those basic, you can send me a DM via my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number. Then for business, right? All right, so that is feedback for you. Let's talk about